Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to integrate the map into a React application by the help of which you can detect the current location and locate the city out of that, the state or whatever you want. So let's jump on that. So we would be using this OpenCage API. You can also go with the Google API as well, but I didn't found any free version for that. But if you do find, just let me know. So without being wasting more time, let's work on that. So it's first time you need to come up over here. You need to sign up. You can go with your Gmail ID and just wait. And here they would be asking you some basic details like mm, what's your primary use case. Let's suppose convert a place or address to coordinates. We would be going with this one, and whatever you want to choose, or you can just read on this and play around this, and you can go with that. Here you need to add the language that you use. Uh, let's suppose we are adding a particular country. Mm, I don't think we need to fill this one. So click on continue. Then click on, I mean, we have the API key over here. So let's check it. Yeah, so this is our API key. Just copy this one. And now let's work on our code. So firstly, we would be importing the React functional component, and we need to import some hooks like we need to import the use effect, the use state, and we can import the library Axios library for making the request and getting the credentials out of that. So let's work on this. Now we need to set up the use effect. Yeah, and yeah, you can we would be storing the data in this array, and you can go over this website and you can read this in the documentation. So we have the API, I mean we have the endpoints over here. You can just simply read on this. Like I have just taken a look on that, and I'm just simply adding this one over here. So this is the basic code. Basically you need to make the request on this one, and by the help of your latitude and longitude, uh, you would be getting those response, and you can filter out what are the details that you want. Like in this case, I want the state name and I want the country name, and I'm just storing this one in a local string, and then I'm by the help of use state, we are setting this in the set location. But we need to define the use state as for this time because we don't have that. So let's do that. And by default you can set or write anything. So I mean I would like to write here, type here, and now you need to add the API key as well. So the API key that we have copied from there, that be I think it's not being copied. So let's go back again, click on this one, copied, and just simply paste over here. Now you can just go with some simple styling. I mean, just simply we want to check like whether it's working or not. So let's save this one, compile this one. We do have an error default location. Yeah, we need to add this. So cons default location, and by the time being, let's set this to default location only. I think we are good to go. So let's go onto our website. It's asking your location. Click on allow, and it would be updating over here. So in my case, I'm getting this one. You can open up your console, and let's console this in order to get the details from here. Yeah, we need to console the response console, and we can check on this like you can play along this. What do you want? And accordingly you can go with that one, data, results, and in this you can just click on this one and you would be getting all of those details regarding where you are, your country name, and all those things. And accordingly whatever you want to set, you can go with that. Apart from that, if you want the like something like Google Map that needs to be integrated on your screen, you can go on their documentation and you can read on that, you can get that as well. But if you want to work on a bit UI, you can work on that as well. So let me do that. We can just simply add the styles that I have added previously, and I need to add some packages, so I'll be adding this over here. Yeah, and we have been done, I think so. It's compiling, so let's check. Yeah. So let's try this once again. Reset permission, try to reload an application. So it would be initially it would be type here, and when you click this allow, it would be detecting the location and it would be updating over here. So with that being said, you are all good to go, guys.